Hi guys, it's Lincoln here with Ask Lincoln the Talk, and as always I'm trying to do something to empower entrepreneurs. And today I'm gonna talk about what I'll be doing for the month of February as an action plan, and let's jump into that. So for the month of February, what I'm actually working on is my YouTube thumbnails. I know they are not great at all, but I'm working on that. And this is my channel. I know they are not like there is a ton of value in there, but I'll be working on that. Second thing is my website. I have a website, asklincoln.org, and I have blog posts that I'm trying to post regularly. I will also add, I think, a course here, I hope. And yes, I'm trying to release an entrepreneurship course because just making money online is not enough. You have to understand how to save money, what are the things you need, how to launch your business the right way, and it will be available by the end of February. And of course everyone wants to build passive income, but to build passive income, and if you want a lot of it, you have to do a lot of active things first, because an action will have an equal reaction somehow. So massive action today may have a massive reaction of passive income coming in the next year or month, or however it will come. So I'm challenging myself to something which is a great challenge. I never done that before, and I hope this works. And if you want to get on that journey with me for that challenge, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, because I'll be uploading everything I'm doing in this journey in the next 90 days as from the 15th of February. So my challenge is to hit 1k per day for the, I don't know when, but I hope I hit 1k per day, and as steady as I can, as sustainable as it is, continue to hit 1k. And this will start on the 15th of February, so this month 15, and this is a big challenge, and I've never done that before, and I hope this really works. And I will document all the mistakes I made, everything I've done, what's working and what's not working. So if you want to get on that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, because I'll be uploading every day. And the next thing is I'm using affiliate network for that challenge, because I don't have my own product there. So now, and I'm gonna be using ClickBank, and this is the first business model that I'm promoting, is affiliate marketing. I will also be doing other models throughout the year. So if you want to understand and have a grasp of different business model there is, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll be using ClickBank because it's easier to promote the products and to understand the products too. And also I've been doing a lot of reading, and I will upload a book review in the next couple of days. And that's it. This is a big thing I'm doing this month, the 15th of this month. So yeah, the 15th of February, the 90-day challenge will start on the 15th of February, and 90 days from the 15th of February will be the 16th May 2019. And thanks for watching. So join me on my journey to 30k per month, and really hit that bell notification if you want to have everything that I'm uploading, and I'm uploading every day. Thanks.